Alright, so I bought a new machine. I've been TIG welding all my aluminum stuff on this little Lotus 200. Slow, not very attractive. This is the new machine. It's a Lincoln PowerWave S350 with a 25 amp power feeder and has a push-pull aluminum push-pull gun, so the motor on the feeder pushes. And you got another set of rollers here that catch the wire and go ahead and feed it on out. That way you get positive feeding issues. This particular gun is water cooled. You can see the water cooled pipe right there. 400 amps. And a suitcase kind of portable power feeder. I've been playing around. These are some of what it's doing on just short circuit mode. Let's see. There is a pulse on pulse mode. That's focusing. More short circuit mode. Dead fly got too close to the light. So I'm going to start using that machine now to up my production. I've been getting ready for it. This is my production here. Never mind that one, it's an ugly test piece. I'm working on my settings. This one's not too bad. That one's just way huge. That's weld over a top of a weld. I laid a weld in there with a pulse and then came back across it with a short circuit. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.